In this video, we will see the story on Lord Krishna's plan and execution for devotees. During Mahabharata war, Duryodhana approached Bhishmacharya as he felt that Kauravas may lose battle. Duryodhana accused Bhishmacharya for not fighting the battle to his full strength because of his affection with Pandavas. Bhishmacharya angrily took 5 golden arrows and chanted mantra declaring, I will kill Pandavas with these 5 golden arrows, one for each Pandava. Duryodhana, not having faith in Bhishmacharya's words, and so asked him to give custody of those 5 golden arrows. He said that he would keep them with him and return them the next day. Lord Krishna came to know about Bhishmacharya's golden arrow plan that night. We all know Lord Krishna knows everything. So, Lord asked Arjuna to get those 5 golden arrows from Duryodhana. How Duryodhana will give those arrows to Arjuna? Yes, there is a story behind the boon from Duryodhana to Arjuna. Let's see that boon story. Long before, when Pandavas were living in the forest, Duryodhana came to forest to show off his material wealth in contrast with the Pandavas. He placed his camp on the opposite side of a pond where the Pandavas used to stay. While he was taking bath in that pond, the heavenly princess named Gandharvas came to take a bath. Duryodhana could not tolerate and he had a fight in which the Gandharvas captured him. On the request of Yudhishthira, Arjuna saved Duryodhana and set him free. Duryodhana was ashamed, but being a Kshatriya, he asked Arjuna what boon he would like to have from him. Arjuna replied that he would ask for the boon later when he needed it. This was the story about Arjuna boon from Duryodhana. When Arjuna came and asked for the 5 golden imbued arrows, Duryodhana was shocked, but knowing his honor and duty as a Kshatriya, he declared, I will give you the 5 golden arrows. But can you please tell me who told you the 5 golden imbued arrows existed in the first place? Arjuna replied with a smile, who else other than Sri Krishna? Afterwards, Duryodhana honorably kept his word and gave the 5 golden arrows with a lifetime of sincereness and power by Bhishmacharya. Now Duryodhana realized about Lord Krishna. Later, Duryodhana went and informed Bhishmacharya about all that happened and asked for 5 more arrows. Bhishmacharya laughed and replied, that is not possible. I have already spent all merits of my life in imbuing those arrows to kill Pandavas. However, Lord Krishna, being the Supreme Lord, has foreseen past, present, and future, thus arranged for you to purposely give the 5 arrows to Arjuna. Everything is Lord's will, and He is always with His devotees. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu.